UsBest1.com is marketed as an online store offering heavily discounted products across multiple categories. But the real question is UsBest1.com a great place to shop, or do the negative reviews tell you everything you need to know? Now, to be fair, not every discount website is a scam. Some online retailers genuinely offer lower prices by operating with smaller margins or sourcing products differently. What it does well, the prices can look extremely attractive. This is often what draws shoppers in. Many products appear heavily discounted compared to other retailers. The website looks functional. At first glance, the store resembles many modern e-commerce websites, where the hype falls apart. The negative reviews are the biggest warning sign. This is the biggest issue. When large numbers of customers complain about the same problems, it's usually worth paying attention. Some buyers report receiving products that differ from the photos. A common complaint with discount websites is that the actual item may not match the advertised images. Shipping complaints are common. Customers often report delays, missing packages, or difficulty tracking orders. So, does UsBest1.com look trustworthy? Short answer: the negative reviews raise enough concerns that shoppers should proceed very carefully before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.